With a common denominator.
And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
Let's talk about something important. Put that coffee down.
I'm not here to waste your time.
Where else you gonna have this much fun?
You the man. You the man.
Todd Father.
Show me the money.
What I've been doing, had to triple my bag. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Wow. Had to triple my bag. Yeah. Had to triple my bag.
60% of the time, it works every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Well, it's no trick to make a lot of money. All you want is to make a lot of money.
Hey, good afternoon. Stocks kind of mixed today. Bitcoin down a little bit. Did just have a $800 straight up bar in the last few minutes. 61,135. Ethereum 43.33 and Litecoin 193.16. So not too bad, holding gains pretty well. Stocks still look higher to me. Maybe a couple day pullback right here, right now. And then I think still onward and upward. What's up, Rio, SS, Spiller, AGK, Ivan? So we're going to look at stocks showing that maybe a couple day pullback, then higher. Same thing on Bitcoin, couple days maybe down right here, right now. A little bit lower, and then still everything onward and upward. That's what we're looking for. Once again, Bitcoin dollar chart with the Wyckoff labels. Technometer is 45.88, got up to 46.47, which is really not that friendly of a number here, considering the markets have been sideways. You can see here on the right for the last 10 days, maybe we're doing a triangle. We're going to look at that. Many times those are continuation patterns, but here I think it could be a B wave. So a little sell-off in the next 48 hours and then higher. Here's our Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. Readings below 40 on the technometer marked in green. We're currently 45.6. So again, kind of middle of the road. Definitely some room to pull back here if need to be. Then we've got, let's look at Ethereum real quick. Then we'll keep it moving. Ethereum Tether, consolidated. Go to the 9-month, we got the Wyckoff labels on here as well. All these look the same on majority of coins. Ethereum posed to break out again here, I don't think in the next day or two, but shortly thereafter. So we'll look for a little bit of a pullback. Ethereum, Tether consolidated. Technometer, I have it here in a second. $47.22. So again, closer to overbought, so that's why we're a little bit bearish here in the next few days, looking for some type of pullback. If we go to our general stock market indicators, I want to look at SPY here. Here's the SPY. You can see the technometer lower right was up there at 54 and change. We're down to 43.15, which is as low as we've been since our last buy signal. 38 is considered a buy, so we're definitely having a correction in volume here. While price is holding higher levels, that's bullish. But I think we could still come down and maybe take out Thursday's, Friday's low in the SPY. And then I probably will be friendly. Let's look at the DIA, Dow Jones ETF. Same type of thing. You can see it was up there at 53 or so, down to 42.38. Dow made a new high this morning. So these are internally really good numbers. Volume's correcting while price is holding. That should say we're headed still higher. Here's WWG, the Wyckoff Wave Growth Index. It's been good to us. You can see the buys in green, sells in red. 47.85. Today's reversal looks like maybe, again, we need a little bit lower before we turn higher again. Here's the IWM small caps breaking out today. As you can see, top right. So that's interesting. This money keeps moving around from large caps, small caps, growth, value, you name it. It just keeps moving around. The small caps breaking out. That should broaden out this rally and be good again for the next few months. TLT, I've talked about, still, I think, rolling over. 47.53. I would expect that thing to top out here any day. GDX, looking for a low short term. We did recover from early morning losses. Technometer still near oversold. So GDX could dig in here. And that would probably be if the UUP long dollar ETF did to give up some of Friday's big gains. I do think that market's probably rolling over again. Let's go back and look at some of the small caps here. I saw somebody mention 1 inch. Ram did. Let's look at that. That one came alive and then has given up quite a bit. This is 1 inch tether consolidated. Had a big breakout to above 750. Now back to the jump level. I still think that one's probably making a low as we speak. Do your own research, not individual investment advice. We'll look at SHIB and XRP. So again, there's the labels on 1 inch. I've been showing them. Had 3 buy signals back there in June and July. You will see volume has pulled back here since October 19th. Technometer is trying to come down to oversold, so we'll watch that. EXRD, I'm not sure. EXRD, I've got to add. I've added all the ones from Friday already. Let's look at SHIB. SHIB Technometer was coming down. Here's SHIB Tether. Binance. Was really looking for a Technometer to come back down near oversold, probably to tell you safe it's to try this one again. I personally do not trade SHIB. See, Technometer 43.8 is coming down to the last 2 buy signals that we've had. Not there yet. A couple days down would probably give us a decent buy in SHIB. We will look at that. Here's Floki. FLOKI. Nick caught that at the low at 60. Technometer 44 neutral. So still looking for higher there. Shout out to anybody that got that one. There's Stunner flexing again. REEF. I have to add that one. XMR I'll do. MTV I'll do. Here's XMR Tether consolidated. Haven't looked at this one. Again, Tether consolidated, volume 140 plus reputable exchanges. The data is pretty well clean as much as we can get it. Technometer 44.7. I don't have this chart marked up. Not much to add. Had a buy signal down there June 20th when most of these did, and July 10th. So I would still think results to the upside. Here is Decentraland, Tether, Consolidated, Mana, 9 month. With that thing bolting to the upside. Probably tough to call that a jump and a backup now. I had that lower, but volume came in huge. So again, we had the last point of supply and a buy on the spring as we did many of these coins. That one just totally took off. ACH, must add that as well. Let's go back to XRP. Then we're going to show DOT. DOT took off, as we mentioned. New highs for the move on DOT. Here's Ripple. I still think we'll try to resolve the upside. I thought the low there a week ago hopefully is good, as shown by the divergence that we have here. Reef is not in my software. I do have to add that. I don't keep every coin in the software. There's too many coins. Here's Ripple. Two different buy signals. The last one really back there on the September 20th low when our crypto index gave us a buy. Technometer 45. Not much to add on XRP. LRC I've got to add. You guys are throwing new names at me. Algo. I'll get to my Elliott wave counts here in just a minute. Here's Algo, Tether, Binance. I would think preparing for another one of those popcorn pops here shortly to the upside. You can see we've got the Wyckoff labels here. Need to get this thing moving to the upside though. Technometer 44.2, neutral, nothing to add there. Let's look at DOT. I just showed that in the Discord. I talked about that last week. Spring in an uptrend a week ago with the red bar, and today resolves to the upside. Billy, you must be deaf. Appreciate it, not Bill. Here's Link, Tether, Binance. Trying to dig out of here. I think that one could pop as well. You'll see I got a divergence just a week ago. I'll have Reef in for tomorrow. Here's Link. Again, showing a little bit of a minor buy divergence there 6 days ago. Technometer 46.6. I would hope for that one to still break out to the upside. Let's go back to our Elliott wave counts. If I go into a 30-minute chart, this is what I came up with really a couple hours ago. That could be a fourth wave triangle. We're going straight to 72,000. I'll worry about that probably if we get above that 62.8 or so. As you know, I did lighten up a little bit of 61,180, just a hair higher than where we're at right now. I'm still kind of leaning stocks come down, and that could drag Bitcoin down into this 56.5 level I've been looking at. That's what we're going to be watching for. So we'd be prepared to buy a dip. These could be 1-2-1-2s off the bottom at 28.5, which means we got a lot of upside still coming. If that count is correct. Let's go back to OMG. Here's OMG Tether Binance. I've talked about this one working higher. I think I mentioned the same thing here. Trend, a spring and an uptrend, which is what the break to 12 was. Shook everybody out, got everybody short. The technometer is an overbought, oversold indicator proprietary to Wyckoff SMI. It's based on 5-minute volume, interaction between price, time, and volume. Here's OMG, technometer 46.7. I've said that one would lead us higher. It's been extremely strong. Should be able to continue. Here's SOL. The software keeps 5-minute volume, so we try to gauge volume throughout the day. SOL Tether Binance, right at the highs. We're still along that one, looking for higher. Litecoin Tether consolidated. Still quiet. Waiting for a break to the upside. Bathe and Ape, appreciate that. Didn't need to do that. Appreciate the support. Nick and I'll probably go out and have a couple cocktails. Litecoin, again, technometer 44.6. Nothing to add. That one's not been that easy of trade for us, but we're still long. MTV, Tether consolidated. Anybody doesn't know, there's 300 people in here. Right there, Stuna D620, that's my partner in the patreon.com/learncrypto Discord. I'm more technician, he's more fundamentalist. Been killing it together over there. MTV, Tether consolidated. I was hoping for a break, a jump and a backup. We really need to hold in here to get that thing moving higher. So I would still expect for it to dig in and hold. Appreciate it, Bathe and Ape. And Nick and I are going out for a drink tonight, so we will be drinking that up, even though neither one of us drink that much. But we'll try. Sand I do not have. I will add these overnight. Let's go back to CRV is one that we was on. Had a big rally, retraced a little bit much. Still looks okay. We gave this one here on YouTube as well, down there at what, 280, 290, 436 currently. I think possibly that's another jump and a backup. I just still think higher. Volume still looks good on CRV. You can see technometer down to 42.1, which is as oversold as it's been since the low on August 27th, back down here at 210. So I would think CRV is going to hold in here, turn back up. Zen is another one that came alive. I told you we were long that one, looking for that breakout, but now that one's retraced a lot. Not happy with the retrace. The rally was big, clear up to 130, short of 130. That on the chart doesn't look as healthy, but I think Zen's still okay. One that Nick has made a fortune on in the last couple of years. Was pounding the table at 5, 6, 7. Has nodes, etc. So I still think that one will work higher, but the chart definitely would look better if we would have held those gains better. Appreciate 383 people in here. Like and share if you get a chance. Ask a question. Appreciate it, Anwar. It's first of the month. Perfect time to join patreon.com/learncrypto. $40 a month. You get me on the large cap, Nick on the smaller caps. Technical, fundamental, farming, you name it. You're welcome, AGK. So again, that's all I've got today. Anybody new? Wyckoff Wave Crypto Index. Again, a 40 reading on the technometer has given us various buy signals on the way up. We're not going to get another one of those anytime soon. I think we're sitting here at 46, 47. We will watch that for the next buy signal. Let's go ahead. Billy's asking for AKRO. I don't believe I have that in the system either. How about try Ethereum or something, Billy? I'll slap Cody up. Nick is on that one. Hold on a second here. I was trying to load a chart in the middle of it. I don't know what to think of that news item. Or that headline, I do not know. Cody Tether Binance. That could be interesting. Here's Cody, 9-month Tether Binance. Nick bought this around 30 before the big move up. Still long, looking for higher. Gave us another buy down there. The 30 buy actually is what Nick caught. Let this load here real quick. Technometer neutral, volume fair. So we're still along that, looking for higher. Actually, I did do SOL and Litecoin already. If you don't mind going back just a minute. AVAX, Tether consolidated. This is one I thought would work higher as well. ERGO, I'll check in just a minute. So AVAX, Wyckoff indicators loading. You can see here OP hit a new low while price was holding. Looks like somebody's buying that thing at 56, 55, 56, holding it up. I would think still higher. Ergo, I have to add. Try to add AKRO. Bitcoin 61,030. Maybe that was the news that ran that up there, quick 800, not sure. That's all I'm going to look at going into the close here. Got 30 minutes for the stock close. Again, anybody new? Stocks, I think, could have a couple day pullback, which probably would make me friendly. Bitcoin could be doing a triangle here, but it's a B-wave triangle, I believe. Go the 30-minute chart to see it easier. There's what I think possibly could be. Move down to 56,000 maybe, or slightly lower. So B-wave triangle completed this morning on that rally. So that's my thoughts. A little bit lower, probably buy stocks, buy Bitcoin. Example of a pork blaster. I mean, really, a pork blaster for us is just a normally like a wave 4 triangle before the last wave up, which can be pretty violently up. So where is the last pork blaster? We had one on I think it was 1 and near. Here's 1 tether consolidated. I think it was near. Hold on a second. We'll go to that next. Near definitely had a pork blaster. 1 I've just been saying continued higher. Here's near tether consolidated. That was a pork blaster. Somewhat again, just a triangle continuation pattern. We start calling them pork blasters. If they fail, they're limp briskets. We've got some cool ass pork blaster t-shirts. I'm going to show that right now. That was a pork blaster t-shirt. And again, Neo gave us a perfect one. It had the new low in the OP, while price was holding higher levels, and an oversold technometer. I did not catch that one. I caught that after the fact, but that's a classic setup. That was a move from 729 to 13 in what, about 2 weeks. Don't like missing those. What up, Big House? So that's all I got. I'm going to get out of here. Get ready for the stock closing. WyckoffSMI.com if you're looking to learn about Wyckoff. I do own the original institute. So, and I have not added nothing to it. It's all original. I do not throw my 2 cents worth into anything. Patreon.com/learncrypto. We're going to run that commercial now. $40 a month. And probably be here tomorrow. Same time. Thank you.
Warren Buffett, American investor, business tycoon, and one of the wealthiest people in the world, once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." But how is that possible? Well, knowledge is power. In 2020, it is no longer news that cryptocurrencies are the currency of the digital future. Bitcoin stability amidst unprecedented global economic impacts from COVID-19 has proven once again that crypto is here to stay. Learning how to trade, when to trade, and where to trade crypto assets can make the difference between success and failure. At LearnCrypto.io, we offer a pathway to sustainable and lifelong wealth by helping open-minded beginners and experienced traders navigate the thin ice of the cryptocurrency markets. Live shows, interviews, coin reviews, fundamental analysis, predictive trading bots, and open chat access to a community of real traders. These are just a few of the benefits you'll receive with a membership on patreon.com/learncrypto. Sign up today if you strive to build yourself a brighter tomorrow.
Are you intrigued by cryptocurrency, but just aren't sure how you can get started investing? Maybe you are simply too busy to trade your own cryptocurrency account since it is 365 24/7. Don't hold back any longer. With LearnCrypto.io, you can have a seasoned professional show you how. Todd W. Butterfield is a leader in trading with numerous real money trading successes to his name over the years. He owns LearnCrypto.io, the original Wyckoff Stock Market Institute, WyckoffSMI.com, as well as the Black Bay Group, a registered investment advisor. He has also created state-of-the-art software, consolidating over 100-plus crypto exchanges volume, as well as his own Wyckoff proprietary indicators. With today's stressful and busy lifestyles, isn't it time you considered having a knowledgeable investor manage your crypto account? In these unprecedented times, it is the perfect season to seriously consider LearnCrypto.io's private client group and add cryptocurrencies to your investment portfolio.
We'll see you all again. Sleep tight.